Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Kinvara Skincare, a brand selling natural and vegan products that you've likely seen haunting your social media feeds. They promise gentle, plant-based formulas designed to keep your skin fresh, which is a lovely sentiment if you're tired of looking like a dried-out raisin. But the real question is this website actually legit, or is it just another pretty face in the world of online scams? Let's dive in and see if their claims hold water or just expensive oil. On their own site, Kinvara shows off glowing reviews, because let's be honest, no one is going to advertise that their cream smells like old socks. We dug deeper and found a 4.6-star rating on Trustpilot, which is surprisingly solid. Their Facebook page is equally cheerful, with customers obsessing over the cleansing oils and serums. Most people claim their skin feels hydrated and nourished within weeks, though one customer did complain about the packaging. Apparently, some people expect their moisturizer to arrive in a gold-plated carriage, but overall, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Kinvara is incredibly active on social media, boasting over 42,000 followers on Facebook alone. That's a massive audience of people who are either very dedicated to their pores or just really like looking at aesthetic bottles. They also offer total transparency by listing their founder, Joanne Riley, along with her LinkedIn profile. It's actually refreshing to see a brand that isn't run by a mysterious shadow organization or a very smart golden retriever. Here is the real kicker. They've been around since 2012. In the world of the internet, 13 years is basically prehistoric. Most scams disappear faster than a salad at a barbecue, so this long track record makes them look incredibly stable. Plus, they provide a live chat, a phone number, and a physical address. You can actually reach a human being, which is a luxury in an age where most customer service is handled by a confused chatbot. After checking the reviews, the social media presence, and their long history, the verdict is in. Kinvara Skincare looks 100% legit and trustworthy. They've got the reputation, the years, and the loyal fans to prove it. Have you tried their stuff, or are you still waiting for a miracle in a bottle? Drop your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Unless you actually enjoy being scammed, in which case, carry on.